Hello everyone, welcome to my channel 12 calls. My name is Ankit. Today we have a question about Tech Mahindra. Is Tech Mahindra ready for a big upside? And we'll look into that. But before that, my standard disclaimer. This is only educational video. Always check with your financial advisor before doing any equity investments, as is always subjected to risk. Alright, so here we have Tech Mahindra 5 year of data. Okay, I'm using Ichimoku 50 EMA, RSI and MACD to explain my analytic. And we'll look into this point first. This is our RSI, which came below 30 on the weekly chart. Okay, and now it started moving up, which shows that market is bottomed out and this is going to go up. Okay, also if you look into MACD, it's also suggesting the blue line is going above purple line. It's also suggesting the market is ready to go up. And we look into this particular downside. Okay, so it was here around 1830, and from this point it came down till almost 990. So this is a good more than 40-45% fall. And then this was 61% retracement level also of this particular rise. Okay, so from this point it's getting support. So the current price of this particular share is around 1077, and the next resistance it should face is this line, which is around 1150, and the next resistance would be this point, which is 1310. So from this point onward, which is 1080, 1070, we should expect upside towards 1310 in next 3 to 6 months. Okay, it may go further up also like 1510, but this is something that should come in next 3 to 6 months. So we'll look little further about the mutual fund holding. So in March they were holding around 9 crore of share, and if you look here in June, so that's have gone from 9 crore to 12 plus crore. So they are more than 2 crore share. So if you consider 1,000 rupees price, so it's around 2,000 crore of worth of this particular share has been bought by mutual fund in just 3-4 months. Okay, if you look into individual schemes, there are around 260 plus individual schemes who kept money into this particular share, which looks good. Also if you look, so there are a lot of fund who have kept around 10% allocation, which shows confidence from the mutual fund. Okay, so we'll conclude at this point. So somewhere around 1077 becomes a buying point for the target of 1150 and 1310. So we should see a good 20% upside in next 3 to 6 months. So that's all for today, guys. Please do subscribe to my channel. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.